What's going on?
He.
Well, you gotta say something first. What are you eating?
Noodles.
Noodles.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti, yum. Where are we?
That one.
You want some kiwis? Okay, we need them. What did Daddy just do?
Poke me.
Did he poke you? How come he poke you? Because why?
Hun.
In your arm? Yeah. And your finger?
Yeah, baby.
Yep. Do you know why he poked you? Why?
Because, oh, yay.
And your legs?
Yeah.
Did he poke you to give you some medicine?
Hurt me.
Did he hurt you? He didn't mean to hurt you, honey. That's how we have to give you your medicine, huh? So you won't be sick. You sure like your milk. So thirsty.
Mama, see.